apartment is fitted with an integrated microwave. This particular model has many features, but I'll show you the most straightforward one, which should be fine for everyday microwaving needs during your stay. When you arrive, the clock should be set to the correct time. If it's not, simply press this clock icon, pop out the dial, and turn until the correct time is shown. So here it's 11:07. Push the dial back in and press the clock button. To open the door, press and hold this arrow bottom of the button. And then you can select whether you want 90, 180, 360, 600 or 800 heating power. For most items, 800 is what you would use, but do check the packaging on any food. And you can then select the time by depressing this button and turning it until it's shown here. So here we'd be heating something at 800 for 2 minutes and 20. Automatically when you press 800, the heating time comes up at 1 minute. Whatever time you've set, press the start button and the microwave will begin. At the end, the heating stops and the microwave beeps repeatedly. To reset it, press stop. If you have any issues using this, please do not hesitate to contact us on guestservices@roomspace.com.